Hello everyone, I'm Thai, live in the United States. I would like to share my experience working with SudShare. It is kind of freelance and contractor. I have a video that talk about the SudShare a little bit, how they do, how we do. And today is different because after I get the order, 3 orders, different customer, different location, but still in my range. Then the first one was very nice person because she rate me full score, and the second and the third rate me low score. In fact, I don't care about score, but I learned something about people like this. I went out to their places early because first, I'm not familiar with the location, and second, 3 of them live in apartment, and the apartment had the same address, right? In each one they are living in different apartment, different location, and in that address contain many individual units, and I have no idea about where are the unit in which location, which building, and then I need to take my time to find, and then I went early. The first person, she so nice because she came down and she hand out the laundry to me, and on the day I delivery, she came out and waiting for me, and I hand that to her. Good tip. The first person got me the best tip in 3, and then the second I told her, the first one I told her exactly what time I'm gonna be there, and then the second one I told her I'm gonna be there in between this time and this time, and then I got there early because, as I mentioned, I need to find where is the building and where is her unit, and then I parked at some unit and I text her, and she said, no, I'm not in there, I'm in this number, and then I go around. It's not hard, but for me, I'm not familiar in that location, so it takes time a while. And then she replied that I told her I'm gonna come here this time, but you come early, out some kind of that, and then she need to hurry and get back. And when she get back, I text her, I am in this unit, is that you? And I don't understand about they have the number like in the range, like A to C, some kind like that. I don't get it. And then I saw somebody walk around there, and then I asked about this. She said, oh, in there, inside. And then I need to ring the bell. She unlocked the door, but I still need to walk to her unit and grab out. It's fine. And on the delivery day too, I need to text her, I need to ring the bell, and then she unlocked the door, and then I need to walk up and carry the 4-5 bags and then leave in front of the door, and she picked up, open the door while I walk away, and she rate me very low score about pick up time. I don't get it. She doesn't like because I got there early and she need to come back from outside maybe. I told her I can't wait, but it's okay. This is what I mentioned about people, different thought. And then the third one, this was very close to my house, only 7-minute drive, and the most bags that left. I think the 2 orders, I got each one 3 bags, but the last one I got 5 bags. And she leave the basket with the laundry. Then I text her after I get all the laundry, the dirty clothes, that I leave the basket in front of the door. And then she replied me, why you not wash that? No, I got all your laundry, your clothes, but I'm not supposed to get the container. And she said, oh, okay. And you can't expect what you're gonna get. You don't know what you're gonna get for your laundry, right? I saw someone in the group, Facebook group, that people get laundry from the garage. It's okay, the garage dirty with the oil, with the worker, but I get laundry, which I guess this one taking care of the elderly person because of the pad, how to say, it's kind of like to carry the dirty from person. Yeah, I got that pad dirty with poop. And I already accept that order, so I need to clean that by hand first before I put in the washer. So dirty. I thought about, okay, this gonna be good to me. I do for elderly people or maybe my parents and get a little money in the same time, but not often. I'm not that kind of person. I'm not a nurse. I'm not a elder people take care. I don't know what is that. I try to think about the word. Anyway, I do everything done on a night, and then next day I deliver her. After I complete everything and deliver the laundry bag, then I saw my paid and I thought it's not right. Then I emailed to support and told about what I got, and then this is the email that reply me. The customer not allowed to provide from this, including what I got, and I didn't know that I can cancel, but I cannot cancel by myself because of the system not allow SudShare to cancel the order that I already accepted. I need to report back to support and they're gonna taking care of. This is good information to know for everybody who would like to try and start doing laundry with SudShare. If you get the thing that I got, you can report to the support and they're gonna take care of you. I'm not sure about how much I get paid is right or wrong. I thought about it's may wrong, but I don't know how to report back to the SudShare. I can find on the app how to report that, and I found that maybe the number is pending, is not actual number that I got yet, so I wait. Then the ranking for pick up, I got only 2 points. Maybe she feel like I go too early and she didn't leave the laundry yet. Then I said I can wait and I gonna move my car to the closer door. Then she left the laundry. I take all, and on delivery day I just leave everything in front of her unit and knock the door and then left. That's it. So what I gonna say is, if you decide to work like this and you can't expect what you're gonna get for watching how bad, but you still need to do. I see somebody on Facebook group using laundromat. I don't know if that works because you need to use your money advance first, right? And then you can get after you finish everything, then you get paid and then you need to deduct. Or maybe better than using the washer and dryer at your home because of the water cost and electric cost. Depend on location. I guess in the area that there are many people need that laundry done because they don't want to do by themselves, they don't want to go out and do at the shop, just easier. Somebody just pick up and wash and delivery, save time and the cost on SudShare, not expensive at all, $1 per pound, and you get like us 75 right per pound. This job is not for me, but I will save it and see once in a while if someone nearby very close and not many laundry to do, I may pick up because I don't want somebody's clothes that's so bad and then wash in the same machine as us. Maybe if they sick I feel like it's unhealthy to use the same machine. It's not public machine, it's individual at home, right? If you enjoy doing this and you make good income, I'm happy for you. But if you just thinking or about starting to join, or you are just start, you can evaluate by yourself if you like it. If it's good for you, you can earn good income because of in your location, your area, many demand about this. It's good for you. This is all about what I experienced. Okay, and I can't blame people. People are different. Just only I prepare myself. I don't care about ring. I care about money, but I evaluate and it's not worth for me. It's not for me. That's all. Have fun working and have a good day. Bye.